Okay, now we're back. Okay, this is a lot better. Okay, so we have this branch right here. We have this branch right here. And we have this branch right here. Those three, you definitely don't want in the middle, because what that does is that clogs up all the airflow. And you want this to be able to breathe. You don't want branches rubbing against each other. Causes disease, hurts with the growth. And right now, as you can see, this tree is heavily leaning this direction. I may take that off right there and turn this into a tree next year. But I will not cut it and then put it in the dirt. I will try the method with the Ziploc bag for this. That way I can assure that it's still alive. Once it has roots, I can plant it and I will have a full size tree that actually fruits. Well, not just fruit, it flowers. Look at that. This tree is 3 years old and it's already well over 15 feet. I did not think it was going to get this large, but it's doing absolutely well right here. Perfect right here in the spot. This is my apricot tree. I believe my golden Annie. It's supposed to have some beautiful fruit. It's flowered twice each spring, produced fruit, and fruit fell off, so it's not ready. Usually trees take about 3 to 5 years before you can get fruit on it and pull fruit off. Yeah, I'm definitely got to tame this tree. I think I can put 2 more on the property and give 1 away to my mom. And we're gonna do that next year because we don't want this tree leaning like this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, share. Peace.